Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Harmony and today I'm bringing you guys my wash and go curly hair routine. So if you guys would like to see how I get my curly hair to look like this and all the products that I use, then just keep watching. So I just got out of the shower and this is my hair. My hair is really long, it's pretty much down to my butt. So basically what I do is in the shower I use this. It's the Cantu for Natural Hair Cleansing Cream Shampoo. I actually really like this. What I basically do is I put a little bit in my hand, rub it together, and I lather it in my scalp, and then I wash it out obviously. And then I've been using this shampoo and this conditioner for, I would say, almost a year. It's the Garnier Fructis Grow Strong conditioner and shampoo. So I wash my hair with the shampoo and then I put the conditioner in. I'll actually leave a little bit of the conditioner in my hair once I get out of the shower. So that's what I have in my hair right now, is just a little bit of that conditioner. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to comb my hair out. So I'm just taking this wide tooth comb and I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up and just brush through all of my hair. I'm going to take my spray bottle. I got this from Target. It's just a huge spray bottle, but I really like it because the mist is super misty. So I'm just going to spray this around all my hair just to make my hair extra wet. The next product I'm going to be using is this Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner, and I saw this on someone's curly hair routine. I'm not sure who it was, but I will link it down below. But I saw she was using this, so I tried it out and I absolutely love it. I've never used it as an actual conditioner. I use it as a leave-in conditioner. And I do apply a lot of it because I do have a lot of hair. So I'm going to apply this from root to tip and just coating all of my hair with this conditioner. Next product that I like to use in my hair is this Cantu for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I really like this stuff. I feel like it forms my curls really well, and I also take a lot of this. It might look like I'm putting a lot of product in my hair, but that's because I am. I do have a lot of hair and I have very thick curly hair, so I have to put product in it or else I look like Monica from Friends. If you guys watch Friends and you know what I'm talking about, the episode where they go to like Barbados and her hair gets super frizzy, that's how I look if I don't put a lot of product in it. So I'm just gonna separate my hair in two sections and again go from root to tip, just applying this cream. I basically just want to coat every strand of my hair with product. I'm taking this Mousse, it's by TRESemme. I've been using this since middle school, I'm not even kidding. I've been using it forever. It's just their Flawless Curls mousse. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. I know you're not technically supposed to use mousses in your hair because it dries it out, but it works for me. So I'm going to flip my hair upside down and I'm going to scrunch this in my hair. So I know technically you're not supposed to use normal towels for curly hair, but again, it works for me. So I'm just going to take my towel and just kind of take out any excess product. I like to part my hair in the middle. I take this brush. I think this is from Garnier. I don't know, I've had it forever. And I'm just going to brush it like this and then scrunch. And what this is going to do is this is going to clump your curls together. So I'm going to take this TRESemme, non-aerosol hairspray, extra firm control. And this is another product that I've been using for years. So I'm just going to spray it in my hair. Literally all over my hair, because this is what's gonna hold my curls. I really hate leaving the house with wet hair, but unfortunately when you have curly hair, that's kind of like the only option unless you diffuse it. But diffusing your hair completely dry takes literally an hour. I'm gonna take Elijah to my dad's job because I have a work meeting for an hour, and then I'm gonna come back and get him, and we're gonna come back here and I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks after it dries for a few hours. It's in a couple of hours. This is my hair after about 3 hours. I like to take this Jamaican black castor oil, put some in my hand, and just rub it on the ends, and then I just lay it down and fluff it out, and then it ends up like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. Oh.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm doing your hair.
Hey,
You're so cute.
hey,
Look at your curls.
Hey, sit, no. No. What are you doing? Hey, not that one.
There you go.
Hey, no, not this one.
Oh, like this?
Rachel. Hi, YouTube. So, we're going Chris on the sea road. Goodbye, YouTube. Goodbye, YouTube.